Hello, friends. This is Tanmoy Banerjee, and welcome back to Easy Learning Art with Tanmoy. Friends, I'm little upset because the kind of support I'm looking for from you, I'm not getting that. I'm not getting any sort of support from my viewers, from my audiences. My channel is not growing. My channel is not serving the purpose. It is not reaching out to more people. So that is really upsetting me, being an artist. I am putting my heart and soul into my art, and I am not seeing any views for my videos. I am not seeing increasing number of subscribers. So that is really upsetting. Anyhow, I love art, and I'm very much passionate about my art and craft. So I'm not going to quit. I'll keep continuing, and I'll leave everything up to you people. I leave everything up to my God. Let's see where I go. Let's see where my channel heads. That's it. Now watch the video. What I have done, you know, I didn't have this black color art paper. So what I have done, I have painted a page of my drawing book in completely black color. Okay, so I have painted a page of my drawing book in completely black color with watercolor, black watercolor. After that, what I have done, after that what I did, I just used white color to draw a village scenery, a village picture. And I'm really upset because it didn't turn out good. It didn't turn out as per the expectation. So I have really messed up. You can see the picture. You can see the picture. So today I didn't succeed in my attempt. So I have just failed, and the entire picture, entire method failed, just failed, and it didn't turn out um, successful attempt. What I'm trying to say in this video that sometimes when we try to experiment with our art and craft, we may fail also. So nothing to be worried, but we should keep on experimenting. That is what I'm just trying to tell, because being an artist you have to be very very innovative. According to my understanding, you have to be very very innovative, and you have to think out of the box. You have to uh, try to create something unusual, something which is not uncommon. And in many events you may end up failing, you may end up making a mess, but nevertheless you should not lose hope. You should not lose your hope, and you should keep on trying. That is what I just want to tell you. Thank you.